everything is energy and everything has energy. Even the inert material also, because of their chemical elements, they have energy. Even a dry leaf, it has electrons are there orbiting around. There are dry leaf, it becomes a carbon. When it is burnt, carbon also has energy. We also have energy, but the type of energy we have is dependent on type of thoughts we entertain, type of friend circle we have, type of food habits. The type of energy is dependent on that one. The three types of energy. One is sattvic energy, positive energy. One is neutral energy, rajasic energy. Third one is called as tamasic energy or negative energy. The positive energy makes us to move, think ahead. Clarity in thinking is there with the positive energy. I can think well. If I am only selfish in my life, my vision is very hazy. My vision is not clear. If I have only negative thinking, my vision, no vision in life, direction-less life I am leading with the negative energy. The positive energy that when I start thinking well, the positive energy, health improves, positivity is there, joy is there in life. The selfish person thinking leading to stress and anxiety, always under stress, always anxious, because of the selfish one. Negative energy, negative thinking, it's leading to sickness. Very dull personality. The type of food we eat also has a bearing on how we think. The fresh food, positive food, juicy food, succulent food makes us to think positive. Negative food, like even animals are slaughtered, I talked about in Nepal, people think that when they eat, the animals have gone through so much of torture, that energy, it is not a piece of meat we are eating the energy of the animals also, it affects us. How you think, thinking, your food has a bearing on that one. The positive thinking, health improves. You are vibrant in life, bubbling with energy. The negative person, very dull in energy, selfish person, unsteady, not a reliable person. So, sattvic, rajasic and tamasic type of personality, I may be meditating. Meditating doesn't mean every day I may say I meditate. Doesn't mean a good person. Everyone meditates. Even a terrorist meditate, go into hibernation for 6 months, they do the meditation. Meditation is a process of concentrating your thoughts. If I am a positive person, my thoughts become more positive. If I am a rajasic person, meditating make me more rajasic. Negative person meditating makes that person more negative. Samadhi in Yoga Sutra also talks about samadhi means you are going back to your own nature. A positive person in the samadhi get established in the positivity. The rajasic person doing the samadhi becomes, reconfirms that what one is doing right. Duryodhana, for example, he says, I also meditate. I get a message from inside, what I am doing is right. So, negative person meditating, negative person also gets a message. What you are doing is right. So, samadhi, you are establishing, going back to your own original nature. Just because I am meditating, just because I am applying the costume and to pretend that I am a very religious person, I am meditating. Scripture says you are meditating what you get according to your own nature. The output, not just because I am doing the japa, I am a very noble person. It says you go back to your own state. The negative person concentrating, Duryodhana said, I get the message from within. I also meditate. So, in Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna is very vocal about that one. You have to have the positive thinking. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu mamanusmara yudhyacha. Always think positive. Mayarpita mano buddhi. You always think positive, think noble, think, have your good company around. Company around, so your outlook changes. My company is ordinary, thinking is ordinary, negative company, you cannot. Sri Krishna says, Tasma sarveshu kaleshu, think of me as the highest. Negative person, even if you tell, that person won't do that one. Only the positive person will get the message of Lord, what he is talking about. Some meditation, they say, not to think of anything, not to think of like vipassana, talk about, not to think of anything. You go back to your own state. Positive thinking is it's a must. In positive thinking, when I enrich the positive thinking, why I have to have a positive qualities, you get happiness in life. I am in happy, I am joy. And selfish person always disturbed. Negative person is very no knowledge, doesn't know what one person is doing. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajo ragatmakam vidhi. And jnana avritya tu tama pramado moha evacha. Tamasic people, no knowledge. Urdhvam gacchanti sattvasta madhye tishtanti rajasa. Jaganya guna vrittista ado gacchanti tamasa. A positive person, always upward journey. So we started here, as we are progressing, as we are aging, we are moving up. The type of thoughts we entertain, positive thoughts, we are moving up. Rajasic person, 50 years back also running after money, 80 years person also money. No quality, no qualitative improvement in the person. Person remains only what is for me. About to die, but I can't. What is for me? What is for me? Bhishmacharya says, a selfish person is gives an example, is hanging by the branch. About to fall, he looks down, there is a crocodile in the water. Crocodile is waiting for him to jump on that one. And he is hearing the tiger roaring. He looks up. There is a python is approaching him. There is a tiger, he is a crocodile, everywhere, so scared, but at the same time, he sees a honeycomb, honey is dripping. He puts his hand out, just in case. It is, we are the Rajasic person about to die, just in case. I will invest for share market, just in case. The Rajasic person is that one, Tamasic person is goes down. And a Sattvic person, how the Sattvic person is leading a life. Mukta sango na aham vadi dhriti utsaha samanvitaha siddha asiddho nirvikaram karta sattvika uchyate. The Sattvic person not at all attached to the outcome. Always bubbling. Mukta sango na aham vadi, no egoistic. Dhriti, focused in life. Utsaha, so much of joy, aspiration, positivity. There is bubbling, infused with energy. Utsaha samanvitaha. Siddha asiddho nirvikara. Things happen as planned or did not happen. One is not bogged down. That is the Sattvic quality. The Sattvic quality, world is looking for that type of person. The Rajasic person, Ragi, it's one who is attached, one is Ragi, that one is so attached, he Dukkha Shoka Mayaprada, he is only the life, Ragi Karma Pala Prepsu, Lubdo Himsatmaka Ashuchi. Lubda, very greedy person. Very greedy. I want to hold on. I don't want to give anything. Lubdo Himsatmaka. Life is filled with violence. I don't care. I want to go. I want to prosper. I don't care about that one. Like I gave an example of blocking the driveway. It is me. Lubdo Himsatmaka Ashuchi. No purity in that person's life. Then Harsha Shoka Samanvita Karta Rajasa Uchyate. Sometimes happy, sometimes sorrow. Unsteady. The outcome is your experiencer. How you are, why you have to apply the positivity. Positivity and positive life helps you to blossom. In Sri Krishna, therefore, he urges all of us. Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manuspara yudhyacha. Think positive, think noble, think auspicious. Have positive people around you who motivates you and you motivate them, and lead a positive life and excel in life and move higher in life and lead as an example. The one who is leading a positive life continue to live after the physical life. Positive. That person continues to live beyond the shelf life. Rajasic person, I may be multimillionaire. The moment that person dies, that person is forgotten. Gone. Whereas the tamasic person, negative person, while living also, people are praying, may that person die. Negative person, people are praying, may that person die. The positive person continue to live beyond the shelf life. So, the message of meditation, not the outer sign, inculcate the positivity, live beyond the shelf life, live beyond the self life. World is badly in need of positive people for inspiration. Why not you? Not to look up to somebody, why can't I? Have that one that is called as Kritartha Jivana, successful life. I have led that life that is the Shastras are talking about.